Hello everyone, today is Tuesday, August 24th, and I have some results from trading in Leeloo account on the 16 Renko with the higher time frame and the 500 Heiken Ashi. There's been a couple of changes on these accounts. I had to reset both accounts. I drew down on both accounts last week and I had to reset them and start over. So this week I'm off to a good start. Also took advantage of the sale price at 50% off Leeloo, but that's now over. So in any case, let's take a look at today's trades. So first off, on the 16 Renko, I traded this yesterday and it was a winning day, but I didn't make a video, and today it was up $70 after about a $500 drawdown. So at that point I think I turned it off, or well, actually it traded until the 3 o'clock hour. I think after that I turned it off after it kind of recovered. So this one is actually up on this account, up almost $1,000 on this account. It was down and then now I'm back up, so I'm actually 1/3 of the way to qualification on this account. Now I opened a second account, so on that account I'm at 51,417. So I'll show you the account performance in just a second. But anyway, this one broke even, and then there was this chart here. So this is the 500 Heiken Ashi with the Precision MA as a filter. It's a 34 SMA, which is this blue line, and it probably didn't get filled on its limit order until here. So if you look at the open here, there were several times that it could have got filled, but I think we didn't have a 16 tick pullback, which was required for the fill, and I think that finally happened here. And it's 80 and 100 ticks are the targets, and so both of those got hit, and it hit its goal with no slippage of 900. So that was the first trade in my second account. This kind of had a poor week last week, but I still believe in this setup here, so I kept trading it, and of course today it paid off. And then there was this chart. So this is the 16 Renko with a higher time frame of Super Renko 16. So this is a smaller higher time frame, and this hit its goal of 750. This actually traded better than this chart here, which is the Super Renko higher time frame 20. So notice the losing trades here, and then on the 16 lower time frame, this chart here traded much better. It only drew down about $200, and there were more winners to the upside, and this hit its goal of 750. I have a smaller target on this one. So those were the three charts I traded, and I had 3 winners today. Performance on this chart on this account, there's been a couple of days of trading, and so 61% profitable, 8 winners, 5 losers, and up 1605, about 1,500 after commissions. So profit factor of 247, which is pretty good. So so far this is looking pretty good. Okay, so this is the other account. It was only up 70 today, and I had yesterday's trade where it made 1,000. So I'm up 1,070 minus commissions. It's really more like 1,000, just under 1,000. And this one has 53.8% winning trades. There was a total of 26 trades, and the profit factor on this one's a little smaller. But in any case, the 16 Renko with the higher time frame filter is working out well, so I'm going to continue to trade those and the 500 Heiken Ashi tick chart. So just want to remind everybody about our sale, which will end in about a week. So still going on. Take advantage of it. Probably won't see these prices again for a while. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.